So, good morning, Ma'am Jen. So now I will be answering the activity. And sorry sa marag saba-saba gid akong palibot ni ma'am kay na ako sa tindahan na moron sa merkado nagatang. Hoping for your kind consideration. So let's start answering now. So I have here the zombie, Frankenstein, mummy, vampire, and werewolf. No? So let's read first. Movie monster age clues. No? The zombie has been alive for odd number of years. The vampire's age is a 3-digit number, and the mummy has been alive for exactly 400 years than Frankenstein's. And the question is, how old is the werewolf? So werewolf atong pangitaon identify pila ang age ni werewolf. No, so the werewolf age can be determined by analyzing the given clues. No, first we identify the Frankenstein's age, no, which must be 105. No, Frankenstein age must be 105. I know age ni Frankenstein kay 105. So kani natin check Frankenstein 105. Why? Because the mummy is 400 years older than Frankenstein's, no, making the mummy 505 years old. So mo to, so ang mummy dahil kay kani 505 years old. To check. And next kana the vampire's age must be a 3-digit number, and as I've seen here, the only available option is 100 na lang, no? 100. So vampire 3-digit number man, so one left here kay 100. So muna na yung edad. And the zombie must have an odd numbered age, which leaves only 7. So 7 naman lang nabilin during odd number. So we can conclude that the age of the zombie is 7. So ito na i-check, 7. And so na ang werewolf na lang. So tire finally ma-determine na mo. The only remaining number is 40 naman lang, 40. So which must be the werewolf age, no? Okay, mo naman lay wala na pili, no? So therefore the werewolf is 40 years. That's why we got this answer, 40 years. So a werewolf the werewolf age is 40 years old. So, and that would be all, ma'am. And I am Francisco Iwican Jr. Okay, ma'am, from BSED English 1. I'm sorry yung ma'am kay Saba sa yung palibot na ako sa merkado, ma'am, naninda ko, ma'am. Thank you. So itong final answer din is 40 years old. 40 years old ang werewolf.